Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix lag in Roblox Mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're using the Roblox Mobile app and notice that your game is lagging or running slow, there are a few steps you can follow to fix it. This guide will walk you through those steps to improve performance. Now, let's open the Roblox app. The first thing you'll want to do is enter a game. Tap on any game from the list and hit the play button to start it. Once you're inside the game, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on the small Roblox icon. From there, next to the People option, you'll see Settings. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, scroll down until you find the Graphics Mode setting. By default, it's usually set to Automatic, but we're going to switch it to Manual. Tap on it and change it to Manual. After that, lower the graphics quality by dragging the slider down. This will reduce the visual quality slightly, but greatly improve the speed and performance of the game, especially if your phone has limited processing power or an older graphics chip. Next, we'll look at things outside the Roblox app. Start by swiping up and to the right on your phone to view all open apps. If you have other apps running in the background, like Instagram, Facebook, or anything else, close them. These apps can use up RAM and system resources, making Roblox lag more than it should. Close all apps except for Roblox to free up memory. Lastly, check your phone's battery settings. Open your device settings and scroll down until you find the battery option, usually located just under Personal Hotspot. Tap on that, and here you'll find the battery percentage and low power mode toggle. If low power mode is turned on, or if your battery is below 20%, your phone may reduce performance to save power, which causes lag in games like Roblox. So, toggle off low power mode if it's on. Even better, plug your phone into a charger and make sure the battery is above 20%. A low battery can cause several performance issues, including lag while gaming. So that's basically how you can fix lag in Roblox Mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.